Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited is inviting applications for the trade apprentices. So here opening date for submission of online application August 25th 2021 and last date for submission of online application September 13th 2021. Last date for receipt of hard copy of online application September 27 2021. So here vacancies are given. See, fitter, there are 30 seats, and turner 4, mechanist 4, and electrician 30, electronic mechanic 30, welder 4, and computer operator and programming assistant 5. So totally 107 vacancies are there. So for those who have completed 1 year ITI course, so they pay 7,700 as a stipend, and for those who have completed 2 years of ITI course, they pay 8,855 rupees, and duration of apprenticeship period is 1 year, and age should not be less than 14 years and more than 24 years as on September 13, 2021. The relaxation age to SC, ST, OBC, PWBD will be given as per central government rules. So for SC, ST 5 years and OBC 3 years and PWBD 10 years as relaxation is available. And total seats 107, for SC 18, for ST 13, OBC 21, EWS 10, UR 45, and 4 out of 107 posts are reserved for PWBD. Education qualification. So fitter, turner, mechanist, and electrician, electronic mechanic, welder, and computer operator and program assistant. So for these vacancies, ITI pass certificate in respective trade is required, and place of training. So Nuclear Training Center NTC, Rawat Bhatta, Rajasthan site. So selected candidate have to work in Rawat Bhatta Rajasthan site in Rajasthan, and stand of physical fitness for training. So a candidate should be free from evidence of any contagious or infectious disease. He should not be suffering from any disease which is likely to be aggravated by service or is likely to render him unfit for service or to endanger of health of the public. He should be free from evidence of tuberculosis in any form, active or healed. And so the candidate should have the following minimum standards. So height 137 centimeters and above, and weight 25.4 kgs, 25.4 kgs and above. So chest measurements are given here. So the selected candidates should not be less than 3.8 centimeters expansion, and vision, there should be no evidence of any morbid conditions of either eye and the lids of either eye which may be liable to risk or aggravation or recurrence. So here some, and selected candidates should pass the medical examination prescribed by the competent authority before being engaged as a trade apprentices. And selection procedure. So the selection procedure of apprentices will be based on marks obtained by the candidates in ITI, and here some general conditions are given. So candidates who have already undergone or are currently undergoing apprenticeship under Apprenticeship Act 1961 in any government or PSU or private industrial organization are not eligible to apply. And candidates selected for training will not be allowed to withdraw from training except for any for reasons which are beyond their control. So some instructions are given, so read carefully before applying. And every apprentice who has completed the period of training will have to undergo a test to be conducted by the National Council for Training in Vocational Trade to determine his proficiency in the designated trade. Only on passing the test, a certificate of proficiency in the trade would be issued by the National Council. And so some police verification certificate. So Rajasthan side being highly protected area, so apprentices will be engaged only after submission of police verification issued by district police authorities. So in addition, the apprentice need to submit character conduct certificate from the concerned institution. And so this is the notification and application form. First, the candidate has to register himself at the web portal of Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. So here website link is given here. So through this link we have to apply for the respective trade through the establishment register number is given here. So the establishment ID for Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, Rajasthan Atomic Power Station. So the application will not be accepted if not applied in the establishment ID. So that thing you have to remember. And so candidates meeting the prescribed eligibility criteria for a post may submit the application form available online at the NPCL website. So a website link is given here. So before applying the candidate shall ensure his or her eligibility for apprentice training. So the online application form will be available on the website from August 25th onwards at 10 hours, and the online submission of application will be open until September 13, 2021. And printout of online application along with all supporting documents listed in point number 2 should reach at the following address or on or before September 27. So here address is given: HR office, Nuclear Training Center, Rawat Bhatta, Rajasthan side, NPCL PO Anushakti. So this is the quota, Rajasthan. So the PIN number is given here. So and we have to send to this address. And candidates should enclose self-attested photocopy of the following certificates also. So date of birth certificate, that is matriculation 10th mark sheet, other qualifications, experiences certificates, and community certificate of those belongs to SC, ST, OBC, and certificate to EWS issued by the competent authority, and police verification certificate issued by concerned police authority, character conduct certificate from the concerned institution, and certificate of physical disability if applicable, and Aadhaar card, recent passport size photos for. So this is the notification. So interested candidate can apply for this apprenticeship trade vacancies. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.